How to buy gold in Interactive Brokers. You will need to sign into your account, and then you can use the search bar to search for gold, and here you will purchase the gold which you actually want. You can also see we have the option of physical gold here, so in this case it's going to be on Monday. So like I said, you will choose whichever gold you want. Let's do this one here, and once you select the gold which you want to purchase, then it's going to take you to that markets page, and you will select buy. Now you want to choose the quantity which you want to purchase here and your order type. You can choose whether you want to buy shares or in euro, and also the limit price. You can set it right here. Time in force, you will choose this, and also the outside RTH, you will need to set it. You can set a stop loss or profit taker, and once you have confirmed all of this information, you will click on buy order, and that is how you purchase gold in Interactive Brokers. But before you do anything, make sure you do sufficient research for that specific stock which you are trying to purchase. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.